Good morning, parents. Today we're going to look at a couple of strategies that we have been using with multiplication over the past week. One of those strategies that we're going to look at includes equal groups. Something we've been working on very hard the past couple of weeks, and the kiddos are really enjoying their multiplication. The first thing we're going to do is, of course, look at our question, which states that each package of hair clips contains 4 hair clips. Rose purchased 6 packages of hair clips. How many hair clips did Rose purchase? We are still always focusing on what the question is asking us, which today is, how many hair clips did Rose purchase? Information that we have received from this question include, each package of hair clips contains 4 hair clips. We've been working hard on our indicator words and seeing that the word each means equal groups of. Okay, we're not yet calling it multiplication. We want them to refer to it as equal groups of. And she purchased 6 packages of hair clips. Okay, when we are looking for our multiplication equation, we are going to state it as blank equal groups of blank. So, she purchased 6 packages of hair clips. That's our 6 equal groups, and each package contains 4 hair clips. 6 equal hair packages of 4 clips in each. And we're trying to solve how many does she have. The first strategy we're going to look at is equal groups. In which we're going to start with our groups. So we have 6 equal groups. And students have been taught to label their groups so that they know they have the correct number of groups. In each group, there are 4 hair clips. So we're going to mark 4 inside of each package of hair clips. And we have 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, and 4. This is now just repeated addition. We have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. So 6 equal groups of 4 equals 24. The next strategy that I'm going to show you is repeated addition. Which is similar to how we just added our equal groups. With repeated addition, I have taught the kids to make their groups. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equal groups. Because we're referring back to our original equation, which is 6 equal groups of 4. Which still equals 24. We are having them represent them in different ways because they're going to continue to see it in different ways. And there will be times that we are asking the students to show them in different ways. We don't want to jump to just 6 times 4. We want them to understand the foundation of multiplication. We will now look at skip counting, which is a strategy they are familiar for. They have been skip counting for a couple of years now. Okay. We're going to count in 6 groups. We're going to count by 4s, which would be 4. We're going to use our multiples: 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and 24. Our next strategy that we're going to talk about is number lines. Number lines have become an instant favorite. They use number lines in almost every operation that they do. With number lines, we use it a bit differently. I'm going to rewrite the equation down here. 6 equal groups of 4. Our number line, we normally say 6 equal groups of 4, but for number lines, we say 6 equal jumps of 4. Which means we're going to create 6 equal jumps And we're going to label each one. That's jump 1, jump 2, jump 3, jump 4, jump 5, and jump 6. Those represent our equal groups. Each jump has a distance of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and 24. So our product is 24. The final strategy that we have been working with over the past week is what we call an array. An array kind of looks like dominoes. We have 6 equal groups, so 6 equal rows, and each row contains 4. This is our array of 6 equal groups of 4. And with this strategy, students are able to count by 6s to reach their product, 6, 12, 18, 24, or they may go the opposite direction and count by 4s, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and 24. One last thing before we sign off here is something to focus on with your child at home is that we are referring to these as factors. So we have a factor, equal groups of. This is also a factor, and the answer to a multiplication problem is called a product. And I hope that this helps help your kiddo at home as they are working through their multiplication strategies over the next few weeks. Bye.